Class 10th, this is now again pollution, water pollution, part 2nd of biology. Now, water pollution. What is water pollution? It means any change in the quality of the water which make it unsuitable for the use by humans or by other living organisms. Now, what are the sources of water pollution? There are 5 main sources of water pollution, that is household detergents and sewage. Third is their industrial waste. Fourth is oil spills, and fifth last is the thermal pollution. Now first we will do household waste. Household waste includes detergents which are used for cleaning our garments and crockery as well as the utensils. This waste water again go to the drains and making the water unclean and thus causing the main cause of the water pollution. Now next is there sewage. Sewage includes kitchen waste, toilet waste as well as also household waste also. This again waste go to the water bodies, nearby water bodies and harming the water pollution. Now in some big cities there is a one sewage treatment plants. What happen in this sewage treatment plant, they clean the water and the dirty water left there and the clean water went into the nearby drains, but this scheme is not possible in the small towns and villages. In our India, there is one bad habit, that is the disposing of dead bodies or ashes in nearby rivers or holy rivers like Ganga also. This is also one of the main cause of the water pollution. Now next is here industrial waste. Industrial waste include dirty water with chemical pollutants. This again water will pollute. Now next is here oil spills. Oil spill is the accidental discharge of oil in the sea or ocean. And what are the sources of oil spill? That is the overturned oil tankers, offshore oil mining and oil refineries. This type of oil spill affect the marine life and thus killing the lot of fishes as well as the birds also. Here one picture is also shown in your book, that is one of the duck is there whose feathers are wet with the oil. This is a oil spill affected duck. Now next is there thermal pollution. Thermal pollution means due to heat. That is again in industries what happened, they put the warm water into the nearby river or any water body which again change the temperature of the living beings which are living inside the river, that is fishes or other marine animals, such affect the marine animals. Now next is here progress check. See, one progress check is there in your book. Liquid kitchen waste, this you have to do by your own. Now thank you.